In today's video, I will show you how I made $2,000 trading gold. Without further ado, let's get started. I know it's been a long time since I actually posted the last video. That's because I've been really busy with school, but right now I can say that I'm back. So I didn't trade a lot this week. I only traded like only 2 days. That was yesterday and Monday. Monday was a losing day for me. Yesterday I was able to make all the money that I lost on Monday plus a little bit more. So yeah. So today I made $2,000 trading gold. I will show you exactly how I was able to find the entry and how I was able to make all my losses from Monday back and plus a little bit more. So I decided to start going a little bit like I don't want to go hard again on my trade like I used to before. I used to risk a lot, but right now I'm going a little bit slow with my account because I feel more pressure every time I drop a big loss size, so I don't feel comfortable again. So I feel like I have to lower my loss size. Yeah, so today on gold, I came to the chart on a 1 hour time frame, and I saw the market was actually trading on the upside. The market is actually really bullish. So yeah, my buys was actually bullish, but that does not rule out a sell opportunity. So if I find a very good sell setup, I'm still gonna take it. But I just have to know that the market is overall bullish. So as you can see on 1 hour time frame, you can see the market is shooting a high really good. So I went down to 30-minute time frame to see if I can actually spot something that I couldn't see on a 1 hour time frame, and not really. I did not see a lot of difference. Everything would look the same. Actually, it just looked the same as a 1 hour time frame. So I didn't want to waste my time over there. I just had to go on 50-minute time frame, which is what I actually do most of the time when trading gold. I will jump from 1 hour to 15-minute. So yeah, on 15-minute time frame, drew my support. As you can see, resistance zone right here. So the market, I woke up around 8. I think it was around 8. The market was actually hitting this zone when I woke up. So I knew exactly the market was probably going to reject this zone, and then people will start selling, and then the market was actually going to take all of them people out. So I was only looking for buys because my thought was just like the market was actually going to drop a little bit just to make people think like the shift is actually starting, and then the market was actually go and take all the people out. That's what I was actually thinking, but I was not right. This time I was not right because the market did not do exactly what I was actually thinking. However, I still made money. So yeah, here's my target. So when I saw the market actually pushing down around 9 a.m., I went down to my 5-minute time frame. Yeah, I think it was 5-minute time frame if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I went down to my 5-minute time frame to actually find, I think it was 15-minute time frame. Yeah, to find my supply in the main zone. So because I was looking for the market to actually come and grab all the liquidity that was sitting on top of this zone, of this resistance zone, I was looking for supply zone in this area or an order block on this area for me to take the markets up. I didn't just want to place a buy just on a random place just because I know there's a liquidity sitting above here. I needed one more confluence before I actually place a buy. So as you can see, my really good supply zone right here, and I drew it. It was really big, like all the way down here, because I drew the last candle from the last candle, from the wick of the last candle to from the top to the bottom. The last candle before they move to the upside. If you guys don't understand what is actually an order block, so an order block is the last candle to the downside. It's an uptrend, so it's the last candle to the downside before the market actually pushed up really high and break structure right here. So this was the last candle to the downside before we add this really big push that broke structure. So yeah, I drew my order block like this, or demand or supply zone, whatever you want to call it. I'll call order block or demand or supply. I don't know which one you guys gonna call it. Like, I don't mind as long as it makes me money. I don't want to learn exactly how to call it. At least you guys understand what I'm actually talking about. So yeah, I drew this zone right here. I drew all this one from all of this candle. The candle's big, so I just had to make it like that because I didn't want to miss out on a trade like this because I had all my confluences that I needed. So I went out to my 3-minute time frame. Yeah, I like 3-minute time frame these days. I feel like it's actually working really good for me. So yeah, and the market is actually around this zone right here on the 3-minute time frame. So the market was actually pushing around 10 a.m. There was just a lot of volume, so I couldn't just stay on the 3-minute time frame because I had a fear of missing out because the market was moving really fast, and I thought maybe I might miss out on the trade. So I had to go down to the last time frame that I used. I had to go to my baby 1-minute time frame. Yeah, that's where I find most of my entries. So like I saw this kind of pushing down really hard and then got rejected literally like at the same time. So I was just waiting to see that, like, the volume, because the volume was just too much. I didn't want to wait to see a break of structure on the lower time frame because I would miss out on the trade. It's not gonna happen. So when this candle was pushing up and breaking this candle right here, breaking all of this candle, all of these little candles right here, I knew that was the time for me to enter. So when it was pushing up, that's when I placed my face buy. Actually, I placed my face buy right there, and I placed my stop loss just below the wick because I was willing to go in again. If I got stopped out, I was gonna get in again. And my target, as I told you guys, was actually this zone right here, because I was really confident that the market is actually gonna come and grab the liquidity over here. So yeah, the markets actually, as you can see, the market came all the way over here, and that was actually a little bit like 1 to 4, 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. And then I didn't want to take the profit over there. So the market started pulling back. So when the market pulled back over here, and they create this little doji right here and get again another one right here, I entered the second position because I was like, oh, this now should be it. This trade should actually be it. That's what I was actually thinking. So I moved this stop loss from the first trade to break even. I moved this stop loss actually to the same stop loss as the second trade. So all my stop losses were actually around this level when I entered the second position. All my stop losses were actually around this level right here. Yeah, around this level. So I entered second position, and after just entering the second position, it didn't take too long for me to actually start doubting the trade. I saw this double top right here, and that was like when double top happened during New York session, it always go against me, so I don't believe them. So when I saw the double top, I didn't, maybe they just want to grab liquidity. I just thought maybe the market is actually about to reverse and go down. So yeah, I saw the first candle rejecting this zone, second candle right here. I saw the second candle doing the same thing, rejecting the zone. Yeah, so I was like, I don't think this market is actually going up again. I don't think the market is going up because the market couldn't break the zone. They couldn't even close in the zone. So I was like, nah, I think I gotta get off. So like when this candle like closed like this, I think I got off somewhere like around when this was pushing out over it. So I got out here. It was like $2,200, which wasn't bad actually. Even though I haven't traded for a long time, that's still very good money. So like last week I lost like 1,000 on Nasdaq. That's what I don't want to touch it this week. Yeah, it's because I don't like the way it's moving right now. But today I was able to make that $1,000 back and plus a little bit more, which isn't bad. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys next week because next week I will be fully back. Thank you for watching and peace.